So we're just going to do a quick unboxing video. Just got this delivery, a wide-angle lens for my Canon DSLR. So I'll unbox it and have a look. So that's it. It's the wide-angle lens attachment that goes on the front of the normal Canon lens. It screws on mount, so it all works great. And it'll be great for situations like groups of people that you want to get the whole crowd in, or if you're taking pictures in an enclosed space, that sort of thing. So that'll go in a camera kit bag with the rest of the lenses. Okay, thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.